Good afternoon, Algebra students. I would like to just take a few minutes of your time today to help you get your math journal all set up because on Thursday of this week, we are going to start taking notes in your journal. And so you need to make sure it's all set up with everything that you need. Make sure that in your supplies that you got from the school, you're using the journal that is a graphing composition journal. It should be the one that has a color cover on it. And then when you open it, you should see the grid lines here. So make sure it's the color cover with the grid lines on the inside. We do a lot of graphing in algebra, so I want to make sure that you're not having to worry about taping graphs in. You just have graph paper there whenever you need it. So on the front, make sure that you write your name. And this is especially helpful when we come back to school. If this ever gets lost, we'll be able to help you find it. And then I would put Duncan on here so that if someone finds it that doesn't know who you are, they can at least find me. And then I can help get it back to you. I always put the school year on it, and then the class, this is algebra. Then right inside the front cover, just in case your front cover gets ripped off, I always have us write a title page as well. So I'm going to have you guys write your name again, and I'm going to have you do it fairly large. Just again, if your journal ever gets lost, it becomes easier to find you if it's in multiple places in your journal. And then we're just going to write algebra down here. The school year. And then I'll have you write Miss Duncan at the bottom as well. Okay, then when you turn the next page, this is going to kind of be a little bit at your discretion. I always have my classes make a table of contents page, and then I usually have a really hard time keeping up with my table of contents. I'm going to show you later this week where I'm going to post a digital math journal so that you guys will be able to access that and see pictures of all of my notes. And I'm going to do a really good job of keeping the table of contents updated on that because I think that's really important. I don't know that I will do a really good job of keeping this table of contents updated. So I'm going to kind of allow you to choose what you put into the table of contents and what you don't, because you might be really detailed and you might put every single lesson and every single page in here. You might not be that detailed and you might just put each topic in here. So every time we start a new topic, you want to note what page we started it on, and then you just wait and do the next topic. That's up to you. If you think you're going to do every single lesson, you might do 2 pages of table of contents. If you're going to just do one topic, I think that 1 page is going to be sufficient, but it's up to you. I'm going to let you choose how you would like to do that. And then we're going to turn the page, and at this point, we're going to actually start topic 1. So we're going to make a topic 1 title page. And topic 1 is called Solving Equations and Inequalities. And then when you're done with the topic 1 title page, we're going to turn the page and we're actually going to set up the first page of notes. We're skipping lesson 1-1. We're jumping right into lesson 1-2. And I'm going to zoom in at the very top because this is kind of going to be what your heading looks like for every page of notes. Lesson 1-2 is called Solving Linear Equations. So I'm going to write that up here at the top. And then down below that, I'm going to write the EQ. And the EQ is how do you create equations and use them to solve problems. And then I'm going to draw a line across that's going to separate the heading from the notes. And I'm going to put the date. The day that we're going to take these notes is the 17th of September. And depending on how you're keeping track of the table of contents, you're going to want to number this page. And I'm going to number it page 2 because I'm going to number my title page for topic 1, page 1.